Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by changing how you think about school. This is practical work, not cheerleading. Identify one concrete thing you hate and why, then pick one 10-minute habit to try today. Once done, set a measurable short-term goal like 2 focus sessions this week so you can test change. Make sure to remove one barrier now, silence notifications, bring materials, so the habit can survive the first attempt. This first step creates momentum and clear feedback fast. Now you build a system that makes school tolerable and even interesting. Break assignments into 15 to 25-minute blocks and schedule them when your energy spikes. This reduces dread and increases completion. Once done, attach an interest hook. Connect a topic to a hobby or real outcome so the effort feels relevant. Make sure to rotate methods. Read, record yourself, explain to a friend. Variety prevents boredom and strengthens memory. Track small wins each day to reinforce the new pattern. You finish by consolidating gains and planning adjustments. At the end of each week, review one clear metric: time spent, assignments done, and change just one variable if progress stalls. Once done, reward a concrete win so your brain links effort to payoff, but keep rewards small and consistent. Make sure to involve support when needed. Ask a peer, teacher, or coach for accountability. If nothing helps after 2 weeks, swap a habit and test again. Troubleshooting is part of learning, not failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.